Imagine you are driving down the highway and suddenly your car feels like it is confused about which gear it wants to be in, or maybe it just refuses to shift altogether. This frustrating situation is often tied to a code called P0758, which points directly to an electrical issue in your shift solenoid B circuit. This is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code, meaning whether you are driving a Chrysler, a Toyota, or a Honda. The core logic is the same even if the specific repair steps vary by your model. Your automatic transmission is a hydraulic masterpiece that relies on these solenoids to act as gatekeepers for the fluid. Most of these systems have at least 3 of them, labeled A, B, and C. When your PCM or powertrain control module sends an electrical signal, these solenoids open or close valves in the valve body to allow fluid to flow to the clutches and bands. If solenoid B is having an electrical hiccup, the fluid cannot get where it needs to go, leading to your transmission slipping or catching in gear. You might even notice your fuel economy tanking or the car entering what we call limp mode to protect itself. Before you panic and think you need a whole new transmission, you should always start with the basics. Check that transmission fluid first, because if it is low or dirty, it can cause all sorts of havoc that mimics an electrical failure. Check your records to see when the last filter change was done. After that, look at the wiring harness for any signs of rubbing or burns. A simple frayed wire is much cheaper to fix than an internal component. If the wiring looks solid, you will need a digital multimeter to check for continuity. You are looking for 0 ohms of resistance usually, and if you see an infinite reading or no continuity, you have found your culprit. Sometimes it is just a corroded connector that needs a good cleaning to restore the connection. Dealing with this early is key, because letting a solenoid issue linger can lead to overheating and permanent internal damage. It is all about making sure that electrical path is clear so your transmission can do its job smoothly.